to change the flight ID to produce some error. Check the logs. Check the logs if we are logging everything that we need on production. Okay, so
Uh,
that's our time. So we have to utilize this time to
Wait a second.
create
Wait
our
a second.
log in such a way that. Mhm.
Where do I
So
navigate
go
to?
to go to the logs. Yeah, I have sent you the logs link.
Directly navigated to this page. Let me try again.
Mm-hmm.
It's another logs only, right? Or should I search in the table? Farooq, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can see, but it's stuck on. It's stuck on the postman.
Oh, let me reach it. I don't. How about now?
Yeah, I'm able to see. No, no, these are not the logs. You need to go inside the Azure Insights, and then you have to find the transactions. Go to investigate. Go to monitoring. No, no, you are in, yeah, here. Transaction search. Yes. Here you can paste the URL, not the whole URL, just your API URL. Like just paste slash create mail SSR. No, not this one, because that's the part of APIM. Yeah, just put it there. You're able to get the whole trace of this request that you have just sent.
Okay, maybe there's a delay, I guess, right? Because I just
Yeah,
created.
just change the date. Put the date like for last 3 days. You're looking into last 24 hours, right?
I'm seeing the
Refresh it.
similar result.
No, no, try to refresh it.
Okay, there is an error.
Why you are not able to read the data? You clicked on the link that I have shared, right?
That's correct. That's correct. If you have seen the link which are given is navigating
Then
API.
why it's not working? Okay, open the Zoom portal from your.
Yep.
Yeah, I go to Azure Insights.
This one? Yeah, you say no access.
No, no, I go to Azure Insights and go to home again.
Okay. I'm on the home page.
Yeah, now try to go to, yeah, try to search Insights. Yeah, application Insights. No, no, yeah, this one, click on it. Yes. Now search for special services. Yes, click on S, the last one. Yeah, click on transaction search. Or click on availability. You're able to, yeah, click on last 3 days.
Hey, I don't see
You
any
don't have
anything.
access. So,
It's like that's what I told, right?
yes, there is a guy named Vivek. Yeah, you don't have access. So, there is a guy named Vivek.
Okay.
Search him, Vivek. Yeah, the first one.
This guy,
No, second one. The DevOps engineer.
he's also DevOps only.
So, let's see. Yeah, yeah, the DevOps engineer. Yeah, send him the screenshot and ask him you are not able to access the stage logs
Okay, okay.
and yeah, what's the process and or how you will able to access them because mostly when we create the account we able to access them. I don't know why you are not able to access this logs.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, send him also the screenshot and ask him how can I access those.
Okay.
Do I need to create a PBI or
I think I need request even for prod also right away, correct?
Prod? Yeah, I think Prod they won't give you access. Prod I have only access.
I mean, if I need to get the logs, I should get only from the QA, or who can give us the logs?
Yeah, from me probably. I will send you the logs and
Okay,
then you will need to investigate. But
that's fine.
for that, you need to know how logs are printed in stage
Agree, agree.
and yeah, and how you able to add the logs if you need any.
Got it.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen, so I will show you. So it's a pretty much simple when you click on here. Just search for anything. So in this way, you're able to find the logs of each request. When you click on this request, you're able to find the full trace of this request. Okay.
Okay.
So it contains how request coming from your BFF. That's your BFF, and then this request comes to that's also the BFF. Okay. The from then this from our BFF. This is request going to our service. You see
Adapter. That's correct.
here. These are a medius adapter. That's our service. Then this request goes to our service, and these are the resolvers that you have built. Remember the office IDs and localization or those things.
Right. So
And
the property is
then
a message, right? Which prints the logs.
yeah, and then these are your external Amadeus adapter. That's basically the Amadeus call that we are doing. That's the Amadeus API that you are calling. You have write this code, right? This is the APIM that we have calling.
Agree.
Okay, these are the APIM requests or maybe or the Amadeus requests that we are doing. And this is the response that we receive from Amadeus. That's the
Got
response we receive from Amadeus. And this is the success scenario.
Okay.
In the same way, there are failure scenarios also that we need to meet. But once you got the access, are you able to at least find out if there are success scenarios or there are failure scenarios? Or in case of failure scenarios, you got all the information required to debug. Okay.
Okay.
Most important service now is this one, to place order and to delete order. Other than that, I don't think so. We will face any issues with other services because they are already in production.
Okay.
So we are not facing any issues regarding those services. This is the important one that is going first time on production.
Hmm?
And I
Meeting
try
5 minutes.
to run all these requests.
Mm-hmm.
I also try to run the wrong request. Wrong, you can something like this. This is not a yeah.
ఎందుకు
I just put the flight as to it's not a valid flight ID. So I receive an error
ఎందుకు ఏం
from
పని
a media side.
పనుంది ఏం చెప్పు
And in the
చెప్పు ఏం
same way,
క్లియర్ గా చెప్పు
you can search here.
క్లియర్ గా చెప్పు అవుదు అవ్వకుండా ఏం అవ్వదు ఏం లేదు
You see,
వంశీ అవ్వకుండా అవ్వదు
500.
అన్ని కాదు ఆల్రెడీ ఇచ్చేసాను ఓకే
And if we check,
మండే ఈవినింగ్ కల్లా వచ్చేస్తాం
we see here that's an invalid flight ID. And the details are flight not found. So
దౌడ్ బుక్ చేయమని
these are good. Okay. These are the if you remember, I
వీకెండ్ అంటే
have
ఏమైనా
asked
వస్తుండే
you
కానీ
to
వీక్ డేస్
put
అసలు
Azure Insight logs. These are those logs. Okay. So these flight
నేనే
lag
ఇక్కడ
IDs,
పని
everything
చేసుకుంటా
that we have
ఉన్నా
put,
అది
these are
అవ్వదు.
Azure Insight logs, and these are work perfectly fine. But I want you to check multiple scenarios if we have got everything. Because when we go on production, we cannot change anything. So if we got everything that we want, or if you
Alright,
some
so
need an
అయిపోయింది
extra logging, just put the logs there.
ఇప్పుడే చెప్తాను ఎవ్రీ డే అవైలబుల్ అవుతాను సడన్ గా
Okay.
got it. Maybe there is some exception happened with the add POML, I guess. Okay. But in detail logs, we are not
Yes,
getting the
try
stack
to
trace,
add.
right? I don't see any stack trace anywhere, or click on that, we will get it on the right side.
By clicking on, you will get the stack trace also, but there is no arrow here, so that's no stack trace. It is just a failure because we put the wrong ID. So maybe try different combinations. Try to change this. Try something after removing this. You see, try different combinations that can happen. So you're able to log multiple kinds of errors in stage. Then you're able to find out. Also, you need to know how to insert the SPMLs, how to insert the PMLs, how to delete the SPML, how to delete the PMLs. Okay. You connect with Srini,
Okay.
he will give you multiple payloads that
Okay.
you can
Okay.
test.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Yeah, for now, work on this one. I want you to get familiarized with this request response, SSR requests, PMI requests, and VGMI requests, all these requests. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. If there is any bug, I will assign you there too, and then you will fix those bugs also. But for now, these logs are more important than those bugs.
Agree. Okay.
Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Thanks a
you.
lot. Thank you.
Bye.
మన ఇంట్లో స్పూన్ ఉంది కదా మా డాడీ ఇప్పుడే ఈడ అన్నాడు, అరే నువ్వు లీవ్స్ ఎక్కువ తీసుకుని ఏదంటే ఎలా అడగాల అని. ఏం చెప్పినా నేను, జస్ట్ బికాస్ మెడికల్ ఐ టుక్ లీవ్, ఓకే, ఐ కెన్ ఐష్యూర్ మై నో మోర్ లీవ్ ప్లాన్స్. కనపడిందా? ఏ అవదు అసలు డ్యూరింగ్ ద రిలీజ్ ఐ నీడ్ మోర్ దెన్ 8 hours. సో ఎవరితో నా తీసుకెళ్ళి నా